Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking 4 small things that you can do to level up your look, and I am also going to be getting ready with some foundation that is new to me, you guys. I do not believe this is a new foundation on the market or anything, but I've just never tried the NARS brand and I just purchased this yesterday. So going to be testing this out first with you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm really liking this, y'all. I love the aesthetic of the package and their lettering and everything. It's just so cute and sleek. So I actually did foundation testing in the store. I knew my color in Fenty because I've been wearing Fenty shade 420 matte foundation for a minute. So I was like, let me just try something new. So yeah, so I decided to go with NARS and she matched me I believe pretty well, but this is going to be my second time putting this on, and I'm going to be putting it on all over. So this is basically going to be the ultimate test to tell if this is really my color. So I always like to apply my foundation initially with my fingers, and then I go back in and blend it in with a beauty blender. And y'all, I have also already added my moisturizer, and I've also added my primer. So I have my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to go ahead and start blending this in. And so far it is still looking like a great match. So I am really liking this. And I didn't even put on a lot just now, and this coverage is really good. And y'all, recently I have been trying out different skincare. Y'all know I love skincare, so I've been trying out plant-based skincare, and that has been working pretty well. I have seen like a few breakouts. Like I have a breakout underneath my eye right there, and I've honestly never broken out there before. But they say that if you are switching skincare, like all those ingredients from other products may just be purging through the skin. So I am still sticking with it and just seeing how things go with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my under eye concealer. I am still sticking with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I just always blend my concealer around my eye, over my eye, because it is a little darker over my eyelids. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some of my lighter powder. This is some banana powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I also put a little powder over my eyebrows, you guys, so when I put those on, they stick and don't get oily too quick. So y'all, I threw on my brows, and then I also added a little bit of contour to my cheek and forehead, and I used the Anastasia Earth Stick foundation for that, and I also did just a little contouring to my nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the powder that is my skin tone. So I'm just gonna add that over everything, and this is translucent medium deep powder by Laura Mercier. I am using the same blush, y'all, I have been using for so long. I actually feel like I'm going to go ahead and try a new blush as well soon, because I've literally been using this for years. So just to switch it up, I may start searching for some new blushes, or if y'all know some good ones, let me know in the comments what you like. And also, y'all, I got my corona shot today. I got phase 1 of the shot. I was so nervous. I'm still extremely nervous, so y'all keep me in your prayers. The next one, I'm supposed to go back June 9th, I believe, because they said it has to be like a 28-day window or something like that. I don't even know, but yeah, so I pretty much got it because I'm going on a family vacation in a couple of weeks and wanted to be extra safe around my parents because my parents are a bit older, so yeah. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of eyeliner, and then gonna throw on my lashes. And y'all, this is basically part 1 to leveling up your look. Just throw on a little bit of makeup, and it doesn't even have to be like a full face like what I'm doing right now. You may not have as many imperfections, and so you may not need to do like full face or whatever. So you can literally just add on some powder and throw some eyeliner on, a cute lash. It doesn't have to be a super long lash. You can do natural lashes. I like to be extra sometimes. So I do like longer lashes, and especially for like camera purposes and taking pictures and things like that, I really do like my lashes to stand out. So that's why I wear more flashier lashes sometimes, but you know, it doesn't have to be that extra. So this is definitely the first step to leveling up your look. So the lash that I'm going to use, these were $5, y'all, from the beauty supply store. I have already used them, so I just went ahead and cleaned them. So I'm going to be using the Duo lash glue. This is my favorite lash glue, if y'all can see that. One more tip with lashes, you do want to make sure that you always blend in your natural lashes with your falsies, and you do that using black mascara or mascara that is whatever color is the same as your natural lashes and the falsies. And I'm using the Dark Star mascara by Pat McGrath. We are done with the face. I also forgot to mention, to have your look leveled up, this goes in step 1. You need to always make sure your lips are moisturized, and lately I have been using Summer Friday's lip butter balm, and I like this so much. It's super moisturizing. And Bite, they have a lip mask as well, so that's my other favorite lip balm to use. So yeah, make sure that you are always using something like that. Actually, y'all, I'm gonna add a little bit of lip liner and then a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm gonna be using the Envy color in Estee Lauder Pure Color Lip Shine. So we're done with the face, so we're gonna move on to hair. And y'all, the main thing with hair, especially if you have natural hair, you just want to make sure your hair is not dry. The main thing I see where people make mistakes with their natural hair is like not moisturizing it, or maybe they're not using products that aren't moisturizing enough. You know, I'm not really sure. But the key to having your hair look good, especially your natural hair, because it is more prone to drying out, so you really need to make sure you are using moisturizing products and using water. So it's just good to add water in your hair before you add the products, so the water can actually seal the products in. Y'all, I'm looking like Angelica from Rugrats right now. My hair this time, y'all, to style, I used the Way brand, and I've been really liking that a lot lately. And they are, I believe, a fairly new brand. I don't think they've been around a very long time, y'all. So y'all, I think I'm just gonna put it all back in a ponytail and rock it like this. So yeah, I'm liking this little low ponytail look. This is step 2 to quickly leveling up your look really fast. Moisturize your hair, style it, do a quick little, it doesn't have to be anything complicated. Y'all know I don't even really do complicated styles over here on my channel. So I literally just did those big braids and put it in this little low ponytail, and we are good to go. So y'all, the third step to leveling up your look is adding some really cute accessories. And when I tell y'all, you can never go wrong with some hoops. So I'm going to add these. So these are just some chunky gold hoops, and gold goes with everything, and hoops again can literally level up any outfit. So I just have some simple gold rings. This one is from Princess Polly. I'm just gonna add that there. I'm just gonna add this one to my ring finger on my right hand. I think I'm just gonna put that on my thumb. So For my bracelets, I'm going to put on this bracelet. It's gold. It says don't look back. Then this simple chain one, I cannot remember this store either, so I'm going to put that as well in the description bar when I can find it. And so yeah, so just some simple jewelry, you guys. Nothing too complicated. I'm going to add one necklace. I actually got this one from Taudrey Jewelry. So these are all the accessories that I'm going to add on. And then next, y'all, I'm just going to add some lotion or moisturizer, and I'm going to be using Rodan & Field's Active Hydration Body Replenish. And the brand actually sent this over to me. It's super moisturizing, very luxurious feeling. So I'm going to add some to my legs, y'all, because ashy is not cute, and you cannot level up your look being ashy. So now that we have our makeup done, moisturized, and have on our accessories, the last thing to level up your look is to put on a cute fitted outfit. And y'all, I got this dress from Target. So this dress was only $12, super affordable. And I'm gonna pair the dress with these shoes, and these are from Just Fab, and I wear a size 7. And then I'm gonna pair it with this purse. With the shoes being nude and also this bag being a nude-ish color, it goes really well with any color outfits. So I'm gonna give you guys a look of what the entire outfit looks like. So I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Again, this was just 4 really easy ways to quickly level up your look. I will definitely have more to come. And if y'all are not already following me on Instagram, follow me at officially Kim White. Also TikTok, my TikTok is officially K White. I will see y'all in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.